Okay, so I've done the rest of my face. Okay. Oh good god. Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Let me apologize for that ponging, hammering. I explained in another video. I have men here doing work on my house, outside my house, so it's hella noisy. Sorry again. I am here today doing a video which has been going around on YouTube recently. This is Google Picks My Makeup. So I have to go out soon and I was like, let's see if I can come up with something workable, wearable to go out with. So I just have my phone here and let's look and see what Google picks. So my initials are AD and yeah, let's go. Okay, so on Google I typed in my initials AD makeup look and I went into images. Now you're gonna see I am gonna be scrolling all the way through. What I typically found was AD as in the time period and especially AD as in ad, and I purposely did not put my initials AD together because I wanted to avoid getting ads. But I got a lot of makeup looks and a lot of ads, and I actually used an ad as my inspiration. So I saw this gorgeous picture which was really colorful and is an ad by Maybelline, and this picture is going to serve as my inspiration for this video. Okay, so I am back. As you saw, I put in my initials, and the thing as I said, my initials AD, I think a lot of the things I got were ads. So ad makeup look for like a particular brand, but you know, I don't mind. What I found was actually really colorful and I am actually pretty interested to see how this turns out. So I did my eyebrows off camera and I am gonna go in with a white base because I really want these colors to pop. So I'm gonna start. This is not gonna be a tutorial per se. I'm just gonna show you the colors. Obviously you're gonna see the colors that I use. I am gonna go in with a skin tone color and just use that in my kind of my crease. Okay, so the first color I'm going in with is orange, and I'm gonna start right in the inner corner of my eye. So then the next color I'm gonna go in with is a pink. So I'm sorry that I didn't zoom you in. Apologies. So I have an orange in my inner corner, then a pink, and I'm gonna go in with a purple now. Okay, so for the third up, I'm actually gonna use yellow. Right, so now we are going to, I actually want some green on the bottom, so I'm gonna go back in with this Jumbo Pencil Milk, and we're gonna go in with the green. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my eyelashes off camera, finish my face, which is my regular makeup routine of foundation, and then come right back for the lipstick. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with an orange blush now. And I'm gonna go in with a purple lipstick. Okay, so this is the end of the Google Pixel makeup challenge. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click my face right down there and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.